Hey guys, I am back and I'm going to be doing some fidget spinner experiments with my brand new fidget spinner. So I don't have a third hand, so just give me a second here. Don't mind this trash. Today, test fidget spinner against Foxy. Oh yeah, my birthday, yeah, my birthday. My birthday is on this day. Yeah. So I have to keep it down, but I can't. You know, spin. You wanna go? Do you wanna go? Do you want to go? Twins. The video messing around with random stuff. Not sponsored. Chemical reaction. Make a chemical. Wax and artificial acid. Don't work. Don't mix. Well, let's not do that again. What the? It's back. I punched the mirror and it like had a huge crack. I wonder where. Yes, this is the perfect way to defeat my evil twin. This is the perfect way to defeat my evil twin. That was louder than I expected. Oh my god. What the freak? Maybe I can use this to hang him. I know. We could have a pokey battle. Come on, Vulpix. Oh crap, I need 2 fire and all it does is confuse Ray. Oh well, let's just use these 2. Go. I know I can catch him in my Pokédex. Bunny throw! I didn't even hit the friggin' twin. You know what? I'm sick of living. You shouldn't try to swallow cubes. Or quarters. I know what he doesn't have. A red fidget. Oh, come on! I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, subscribe, and he's back. I'm gonna have to make a part 2 of this. It's gonna be Evil Twin tries to destroy Good Twin. Or something like that. Whatever. My room is trashed. I don't know how I managed to do this stuff. I just do it. Twins. I'm not sponsored by Undertale. Or anything. Don't have a sponsor. I can't even make money off of this, so pray for all of us. I'm just messing with you guys. I don't care if I'm doing that. It's so fun! Bah.